Hello designers, welcome back to our channel where we explore the dynamic world of graphic design art. Graphic design is ever evolving, blending creativity, technology and communication to create visually compelling content. It's not just about aesthetics. It's a powerful tool for conveying ideas, emotions and information. In today's video, we're diving into the fundamentals of graphic design, mastering essential techniques, and developing your unique style. Plus, we'll see how art galleries influence trends and how historical movements shape modern design. Let's get started. Before diving into the creative process, it's crucial to understand the fundamental principles of graphic design. These principles ensure that your designs look good and effectively communicate your message. Here are the key pillars. Balance. Ensures your design is evenly distributed, providing stability and structure. Balance can be symmetrical, asymmetrical, or radial. Contrast. Highlights key areas and creates visual interest through color, size, texture, and shape. Alignment. Creates a visual connection between elements, making the design more cohesive and organized. Proximity. Groups related items together to create a relationship and declutter the design. Repetition. Ties together individual elements to create patterns and consistency. Hierarchy. Guides the viewer's eye to the most important elements first, using size, color, and placement. Mastering certain techniques can significantly improve your graphic design skills. Let's look at some essential techniques. Sketching and conceptualization. Sketching helps brainstorm and refine concepts before diving into digital tools. Typography. Good typography is crucial. Understanding typefaces, font pairing, and readability impacts design effectiveness. Color theory. Using color effectively can evoke emotions and create visual interest. Learn about color schemes, the color wheel, and the psychological impact of colors. Vector and raster graphics. Know when to use each type. Vector graphics are great for logos and illustrations, while raster graphics are better for photos and detailed images. Layering and masking. Master layers and masks in software like Adobe Photoshop or Illustrator to create complex designs and edit images non-destructively. Grid systems. Using grids helps align and organize elements for a clean, structured layout. Illustration techniques. Enhance drawing skills to add a unique touch to your designs. Choosing the right tools and software can significantly impact your efficiency and creativity. Here are some of the best options. Adobe Creative Suite. Industry standard tools like Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign. Corel Draw. Known for its vector graphic capabilities. Affinity Designer. A cost-effective alternative to Adobe's tools. Procreate. Popular among illustrators for digital painting on the iPad. Sketch. Widely used for UI UX design. Figma. Great for collaborative work in real time. Canva. User-friendly platform for quick and easy designs. Art galleries play a significant role in shaping graphic design trends. Here's how. Exposure to new ideas. Galleries feature groundbreaking work that inspires designers. Networking opportunities. Gatherings at galleries lead to collaborations and idea exchanges. Showcasing emerging artists. Highlights new trends and styles from fresh perspectives. Cultural influence. Reflects contemporary issues and cultural movements. Feedback and critique. Helps refine styles and techniques. Developing your own style is an exciting journey. Here's how. Surround yourself with inspiration. Explore museums, galleries, and online platforms. Experiment. Try different techniques, both traditional and digital. Personal projects. Design posters, illustrations, or brand identities for causes you care about. Identify recurring elements. Embrace elements that resonate with you. Create a mood board. Document visual inspiration. Seek feedback. Use feedback to refine your work. Consistency. Dedicate time to exploring and refining your style. Remember, your style is a living, breathing entity that evolves over time. Keep experimenting and have fun. Graphic design has a rich history. Here are some key movements that influence modern design. Art Nouveau. Organic shapes and flowing lines. Bauhaus. Functionality and simplicity. Art Deco. Geometric shapes and bold typography. Swiss style. Clean lines and sans serif fonts. Pop art. Bold colors and mass-produced imagery. Postmodernism. Playful and eclectic aesthetics. Understanding these influences can inform and inspire your work. Graphic design art blends creativity, technology, and communication. Master fundamental principles like balance, contrast, and alignment, and essential techniques like sketching, typography, and color theory. Use the best tools and software to enhance your efficiency and creativity. Art galleries influence trends, and developing your unique style involves experimenting, seeking feedback, and being authentic. Understanding historical influences from movements like Art Nouveau and Bauhaus can also inform your design. Stay tuned for more exciting content on graphic design art. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.